Okay, this one here, I've got double brackets. 4x times the x will give me 4x squared. I've got 4x times minus 3 will give me minus 12x. I've got 1 times x, which will be plus just the 1x, and then 1 lot of minus 3 is minus 3, and that will simplify out to 4x squared minus 12x plus 1x will give me minus 11x minus 3. Next one, 2x times 3x, 2 times 3 is 6, and then do the x's, x times x is x squared. 2x times minus 4 is minus 8x, and then I've got minus 9 more x. I've got minus 3 times minus 4, minus times minus is a plus, so it's plus 12. Simplify that, I've got 6x squareds, I've got minus 8x and then minus 9 more of them, so that'd be minus 17x's, and then plus 12. This one here, to start off with, I wouldn't just square it, I would say, what does that mean? It means 4x minus 9 times by 4x minus 9, and now I can go through the process. 4x times 4x will give me 16x squared. 4x times minus 9 will give me minus 36x. And then minus 9 times 4x will give me minus 36 more x's. And then minus 9 times minus 9 will give me plus 81. And that will give me 16x squared minus 72x plus 81. If you don't like using these arches and everything else, you can of course use the grid method. And here, for this one here, to do 4x minus 9 times 4x minus 9, you do it 4x and minus 9, 4x and minus 9, and that will give you 16x squared, the area of that. Minus 9 times that will give you minus 36x. That gives you minus 36 more x. And then minus 9 times minus 1 will give you plus 81, and that's where you'll get the answer from. Perfectly reasonable to do it that way. I personally wouldn't use FOIL, first outside, inside last, and the reason I wouldn't do that, because sometimes we're going to have things like x squared minus 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 7, and it's more difficult. I would have it so that one times that, then that one times that, this one, these two times together, and then finally the last two times together like that. But you could do the same thing just as easily with a grid, but here you'd have 3 things across the top, and so you'd have x squared minus 3x plus 2 there, and 3x and minus 7 there, and then you fill those in. So either of those ways. Personally, I'm not a fan of FOIL because at A level we have more complex things to do. And that's double brackets done.